count, 2 movements each. So 1, 2, knee, 1, 2, some. Ready and each. Knee and some. And she and ready. Okay?
Bend forward, each, knee, thumb, she, go, rook, six.
Practice Kayashi Kumite in the area what you have in the house. Why this Kayashi Kumite is taken today? Because it is one step and you have to move in unidirection. Many directions you are moving. You are not just fixed front and back or sideways. You are taking 360-degree movement. Okay, so this will help you become more agile. Okay, at the same time you learn how to take your body from one position to other position. Even there are jumping movements, even there are sliding movements, without losing your balance. So let us start. First is Kamaite. Getting into one ready position. Okay, so Kamaite everyone. Yes. The very thing first what we try is Oizuki. Now in this Kayashi Kumite, while practicing, while learning, don't try to sit deep. That you can put it later. First try to understand the movement. So 1, okay, here, relax. Keep yourself as relaxed as possible. Come on, Yoi. Left foot forward and Kamaite. Yes. Now Oizuki Chuda. Yes. Okay, now this was in front direction. Now suddenly go back as if somebody is attacking you and block Narashi. Now in this you can go in Kibadachi or Kokufudachi. Whatever comes to your comfort. Okay, right here. So Kibadachi, I am showing deflecting in Kibadachi. Now I have done here this way. I went in front, I came back. Now I'll go on my side because this is more easier. So 1, I went here. Okay. Second count, 2, I went like this. 3, I went here. 4, I went Maigiri Oizuki to get his came back. You got it? There is no fixed Kumite. There are no fixed techniques. You can do any techniques in that particular Kumite practice. Stance, ready. Let's go with Oizuki Chuda. Each. Now move back. Just deflect. And keep sitting Kibadachi. Kibadachi. Okay. Now go towards your right side. On Oizuki. Each. Okay. Now just go behind and block Kibadachi. And Nagashi. Now go towards your left side in Gidambar. Okay. After this, you do Maigiri, Jaikusuki, and Kamaite. Is this much understood?
Can you please repeat it once again?
Okay. But others, have you understood? Voice out.
Oh, sure. Yes, sir.
Okay. So leaving up, Vishin, everybody else has understood, right? Okay, fine. So let's do it once again so he also understands. Yo. So it goes this way, left foot forward, Kamaite. Very simple, this everybody can do. Then just move forward in Oizuki Chuda, a forward punch. Now go back and sit in Kibadachi, but deflect with the left hand. Okay, now your body is facing on the side, you have to go towards your right side, this side, the center. Okay, each Oizuki Chuda. In the same way, you will go back, knee, deflect. Okay, here. Now you need to go here. So, Gidambaraki. Then, Maigiri, Jaikusuki. And relax. Okay. Do it one more time. Let it go in your brain. Step after step. Practice. You'll be able to memorize it. Okay. Okay. Moving forward for a stomach punch. Ich. In the same line, you have to go back. She. Okay. Go. Punch. Okay. In the same way, you have to go back. Let's try. Oh. Ich. Ni. Some. Okay. Ozuki. She. And yo. Now we do with the other leg. Okay, so we did two sides. Left leg forward, right leg forward. Now let's see how you do. Yo. When you're doing this Nagashiyuki, the Nagashiyuki is for the face level. For the stomach level, you don't never do this. For stomach level, always you suppress that. Otoshi. Face level, Nagashiyuki. For face, the block is always deflection. You cannot suppress this because it is at the above the face level, so it is difficult. So for face, any attack coming towards the face, always deflect. Any attack coming in the stomach level, suppress. So D and S. Deflection, suppression. Okay? Press it down. Left foot forward, kamaite. Now, each knee, twig. Some she. Hear me. Now let's do a combination of both. Okay? So left leg, if it is in front. So we do 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, from here, immediately turn, switch here. Okay, in front direction. Then 1, 2, okay, 3, and 4. Once it is done, just switch and be ready. So let's go. Move fast enough. Come on. Okay, 1 count, 2 movements each. So 1, 2, knee, 1, 2, some. Ready and each. Knee and some. And she and ready. Okay? Fine? Do it. Okay, come on. Oh, yes, right? Okay? Each. So 1 and 2. Knee. 1 and 2. And some. And she. And this way. Go. 1, 2, and ready. And finish. Okay? Keep your right leg in front, okay? Then come on. Yes. Let's do it together. Each, come on. 1. Okay? Tight. Was it tiring for you all?
Yes, sir.
Or was it energizing for you all?
Yes, sir. Tiring. Energetic, sir.
Okay, so you should feel energized. You feel tired when your stamina level is low, but if you train on a continuous basis, your stamina will be up and then you will feel more energetic. Okay? Let's go for kicking now. Come on, okay? So let's go with my game. Come here. 1, here, my game. Now, if we attack my game, somebody goes back and defends. What if he comes with a Mawashigiri on the face? So, bam! Outside. Okay? So let's try. Very simple. Come on, my giri. Each. My giri is done. Imagine the person has blocked. He charges you with a Mawashigiri here. On the left side. Knee and block. Okay. After this, very different. You'll be enjoying this. After this, you have to use your right leg. Turn and kick and be here. Ushido geri. Your left leg is in front. You attack my geri. Okay? Other person attacks Mawashigiri. You go back, block. You from Kibadachi. The moment the block is done, his kick is down, you go for a kick and back. Understand? Come forward. Space constraint. So we are doing it in a lesser distance, lesser Maya. So we do Maya gearing. So she goes sliding back, not stepping back. Okay? For a Gedandara. Each here. Now I'm here. She comes for a Mawashigiri on my face. Knee. So here I block. The moment I block, then I turn and kick inside her stomach and land towards her. Okay? Are you getting it? Okay? Left foot forward, come on. Okay. You just do Maigiri, okay? Front kick. Each. Yes. Now go back and ward off the attack coming on your head. Knee in Kibadachi. Take it off. Yes. Okay? From here, now turn. Bring your right leg towards the camera. Don't kick. Just turn your body. Each. Turn your body and sit. Yes. Sit. Now, use your right leg to kick back. Knee. Come on. Kick. And turn around. Simple. Okay? Come on, let's try. Still you have not understood? We'll guide you. Don't worry. So, Maigiri, okay? Each. Going back in Kibadachi and blocking the kick. Knee. Come on. Now, turn. Turn. Now, kick with your right leg and land back in Kamaite. Shi. Come on. At least till the stomach level, okay? It has to come straight. Okay, and come on. Okay, now change your leg. Okay, here we go. Maigiri. Each. So Maigiri, okay? Now, moving back. Same leg going back. Knee and block. Now, Sam. Left leg. Now, knee and here. And relax. Now, how do you step? When you do it, if you want to show grace, how do you do that? It's from here. The moment you go down, push. Here you are very humble. You're getting ready. From this position, strong command. Your first step should be really strong because that is your first impression on the opponent. Okay? Each, Soya. Understand? Now, Maigiri, each. Come on, strong. Knee, buck. Sam, here, strong. Back straight. Chi, kick, and back. And finish. Yummy. Okay? Are you with us? Able to understand? Yummy. You forgot, but still you tried. That was a good thing. This is the way one learns. Forgetting is not an issue, okay? But staying there and trying is very important. I appreciate it. everybody please understand that it is fine if you are not able to do it 100%. Okay, even if you are able to do 1%, I still go with you. Rather than not trying, you are at least making an effort and doing 1%. So when you do 1%, no, 99% will come to you. So always think about what can be done rather than what can't be done. Understand? If you are thirsty and if you have 100 ml glass and if you have 10 ml of water, even that 10 ml of water will quench your thirst. But if you say, no, the water glass is empty, even that 10 ml will have no use of it. So always take things positively, rationally. Okay? Even if you are able to do this way, this way, this way, this way, this way, okay, doesn't matter. Today you are not able to do it, but if you practice it, tomorrow you will be able to do it much more better. Day after tomorrow, much better. That's how you improvise. Okay? You don't become an expert in one day, but to become an expert, the first step has to be taken. Even if it is a small, tiny step, doesn't matter. Taking a step, taking a decision, going ahead is very important rather than just sitting comfortably. So you have to be out of your comfort zone if you want to achieve something. So small, tiny steps, baby steps are one of the best steps. Understand? We are really proud of all of you, okay? Because this is taken for the first time in the dojo, online dojo. But even after taking it the first time, you were able to adapt to it. Technically perfect, imperfect, that is immaterial. That is not important now. But you did it. That is more important. Okay? So now
Sir, what is this kumite known as?
this is called Kayashi Kumite, means continuous Kumite.
Os.
That is continuous. Till one person surrenders, the other person goes on. Okay? Or either the referee has to say stop. There is no point system in this. This is for practicing. This is for increasing your endurance, your capacity, your strength, your stamina. This is a test of stamina actually. And your skills, whatever you have inherited through your training. How do you put in practice? Whatever you have learned, you should know how to apply. That is the main purpose of education. Knowledge you have gained, you have got 100%. But if you don't know how to apply that knowledge in day-to-day life for the welfare of yourself and your country, then your knowledge is of no use. Understand? So how to apply things in real life is more important than just accumulating in your mind and getting big certificates on in the showcase, right? So this is the application of your Kihon, application of your kata in Kayashi Kumite. Without breaking down, always facing the threat, always looking out for neutralizing the threat. The threat is not physical violence itself, but if you have some challenges, you're not able to study well, you're not able to memorize well. So practice, strive. Why are you not able to do it? Why things are working for you? Why things are not working for you? You should analyze. Okay? You know who is a genius. Now, when you go somewhere, you find one of your friends or anybody whom you know or anybody unknown, and suddenly a topic is discussed. We generally discuss a lot of topics, right? With our friends, our family members, with our peers. Okay, so when we discuss something, the person knows so much things. We can talk about this subject so much. We feel, oh my goodness, he's so intelligent. He or she. Okay, he or she, whoever. So intelligent. That doesn't mean that person is genius. No. You know, the first thing what comes is data. You know what is data? Everybody knows what is data, right? There's a lot of data everywhere. Most of the data is freely available. Now, from the data which is available, you take something which is important for you. That is called information. There is a lot of data, out of which you take something which is important for you, that is called information. Okay. Now that information is taken by you, so you get knowledge. You get knowledge about that, right? By reading, writing, or experiencing it. Then, when you see that knowledge, whatever you have got, whether it is working or whether it is not working. If the knowledge what you have got is working, good. If the knowledge you have got is not working, so you know what works and what doesn't work. A person who knows what works and doesn't work is called a genius. So the first level is data, then the second level is information, the third level is knowledge about what works and what doesn't work. You know what works, how to make it work. You know what doesn't work, how to make it work if it needs to be worked upon. So if you have that sort of experience and exposure and knowledge, that person is called a genius. Understand? Anyways, yo again. Maigiri, back, turn and kick, everything in one count. Each. Oh. Whatever you felt, you should write down. That is an honest feedback. Okay? Pushadach. Great. Post. Good night and take very good care of yourself. Post.
Sir, arigatou gozaimasu.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, sir. Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Thank you so much. Thank you.